Hi guys, so today we're going to take a look at Kodak ColorPlus. Let's take a look. So again, I ordered my film from Analogue Wonderland, and this is one of the 24 exposure rolls. Decided to shoot this with my Minolta SR1 and with my new MD 50mm 1.7 lens as well, just to try it out. So hopefully we'll get a good comparison of what the colour rendering of both the lens and also what the film quality is like with Kodak ColorPlus. So what I'll do is I'll get this loaded up into the development tank and get started developing, and I'll see you guys afterwards. So I've finished developing these with our cinestill C41 kit, which I'll leave a link up to here in the corner. So let's take a look at these. Oh, okay, great. Oh, they look great.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, so I have the pictures here loaded up into Photoshop. What I usually do is, once I have them scanned with the V600, I will load them up into Lightroom, and then I'll make any kind of editing I need to do there, and then I'll load them into Photoshop just to try and remove any dust or scratches that are still on the pictures. If you would like to know a bit more about my editing process, leave a comment down below if you'd like me to do another video on that. So the first picture I have here is just of our orchids that we have in the house. I'm really fond of taking pictures of these. Actually, you've probably seen pictures in some of my other videos taken with my digital camera. As I said, was taken with my Minolta SR1 and the 50mm MD 1.7. So this was taken at around, I think, about f2.8 in the house, and actually it turned out really nice, I think, and the details of inside the orchid are really nice. You can see here a bit that the film, it is a bit grainy. It's not too bad, but I really love the colours, especially the greens in this, and you'll see in other pictures that come from the Kodak ColorPlus. Also I love the background blur that the 50mm produces as well. Just another closer up picture of the orchids. So this is another real good example of the sort of the greens and the browns that come from this film. I really think, for me, Kodak ColorPlus would definitely be one that I would use for any kind of nature photography, like any kind of pictures of plants or anything involving quite lush landscapes maybe. But I love the details that the 50mm lens produces as well. You can see here all the moss growing along the trees. And actually I quite like the hexagonal bokeh that it's producing in the back here. So this was even at, I think, this was probably around f4 maybe, between f2.8 and f4. Obviously if it was wide open at around 1.7, this would be more bubbly, but it wouldn't get as much detail probably here. But still, I'm actually quite pleased with the bokeh on this one. So yeah, this is just another nature shot. You can probably tell I was really struggling to find anything with some sort of colour when I was out on this photo walk. Just with the weather we're having at the minute, it's very grey and dull. So anything that had any kind of life to it at the minute, I was going to take a picture of it. Here we have a bit of an example of the sort of the reds and the yellows coming through from the Kodak ColorPlus. Again, as I said, I was just trying to find a bit more colour with this one, so I saw this just poking through the fence here, so I thought I'd get a quick snap of it. So just flick through a few more of these, again with the lovely greens and browns coming through with it. So this this shot of my daughter Layla was kind of pushing both the lens and the film to the max. Picture was taken at f1.7 and at 1/30th of a second inside the house. There was very, very limited light. I still don't really have a good light setup yet for taking portraits inside, but that explains why it's very, very soft. I was doing this handheld as well, but I really love this little picture of her, and love with all her toys and Jake's toys in the background. The colours look really nice. It's almost like a little bokeh rainbow going on in the back. This one was a little bit easier to take, so this we managed to get a little break in the rain outside at the minute, so we went for a walk to the shop. Just a lovely little mummy daughter moment in their cuddly hats. I need to take a few more outdoor portraits with this one, just to kind of get a real feel for how it is with skin tone and stuff, but at the minute it's not too bad. I don't think it would be my go-to one for portraits, but if you're on a budget, the ColorPlus was less than £4 a roll, so it's always an option. Another lovely mummy-daughter moment. One of the reasons why I took up photography was to capture wee moments like this. and I love this one. I really love how sharp her eyes are coming through on this one. Just with the little catch lights as well. You can actually, I think you can see me taking the picture in it. But yeah, another really nice one of Layla, and then all the rest are ones of my wee monkey Jake running around outside. Quite like the orange that comes through with the ColorPlus. He was having great fun with this balloon. But yeah, you can certainly see how bright the yellows are in this as well. Maybe a little bit overly yellow, but that's if you were planning a shoot, you could definitely get them to incorporate some yellow into their outfit. And that's the last one there, guys. So hopefully these shots give you a bit of an idea of what the Kodak ColorPlus is like. I do have another roll to shoot, which I'll hopefully get some better weather for doing it, but I'm tempted to see what it's like overexposed. Or if you have any ideas, guys, of what you would like me to do with the next roll of ColorPlus, leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. That's it for this week. Hope you all have a great day, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button and comment down below as well, and I will see you all again soon. Bye guys.